Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to erase and reset the data, the Wi-Fi, and the Bluetooth settings on your Android phone. So if something is messed up, you could try doing this. So scroll on down from the top, go to Settings. Scroll down to where it says System. Now we want to go to Reset Options. Then we have Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. This will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile, data, and Bluetooth. And then we could check mark right here, but we don't have to. It says erase eSIMs. Erasing eSIM will remove calling data and message capabilities from your phone. Contact your carrier to cancel any mobile service. So probably don't want to select that. And then go to reset settings right here. And then we can go back to settings and we can go ahead and reconnect to the network if we're trying to connect to Wi-Fi or something like that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.